this session we'll learn all about introduction to JavaScript. So let's start. First we'll see introduction, then we'll see what is JavaScript, and then we'll learn why to learn JavaScript. So let's start. Now what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a text-based programming language used both on client and server side that allows user to make a web pages interactive. Now, what do you mean by interactive? Interactive means that the user should be able to click the button of particular web pages, or it should feel some difference when he hover on a particular part of a web pages. So here are some examples. Changing the color of a button when the mouse hovers upon it, or zooming and zooming out of an image when the person hover upon it, or showing or hide the menu by clicking of a button, and starting and stopping the timer whenever they need. So this all features in a particular web page makes the particular web page interactive and user remains engaged in their website, and there is less possibility for the user to switch on the other website. Now let's see why to learn JavaScript. Before that, let's understand the basic requirement to build a website. First is HTML, then comes CSS, and then comes the JavaScript. Basically, HTML is used to structure a particular web page. For example, the head section, body section, footer section. So all this section is defined with the help of HTML. Whereas CSS is used as a presentation layer, giving margin to a particular section, giving different background color to a particular section, adding shadows, padding, and etc. So all these particular elements make a web page look attractive and presentable. And last is JavaScript. JavaScript helps to behave a particular website more interactive with the user. That is, by clicking the button, the mouse should get clicked or the button should get clicked, so that the user understands that if I click a particular button here, the particular web page will react like that. So for that, JavaScript is used. Now, what if someone asks me, is it okay if I don't use HTML while building a web page? My answer would be no, because HTML is the basic structure of any website. Now, what if someone asks me if I don't use CSS, is it okay? My answer would be yes, but the website will look ugly because all the designs like color, border, margin, shadow makes the website look good. And if you don't include this, a web page will look not attractive. So that the person who is already on our website, if the particular website do not look attractive, there is a possibility that the person may switch to another website. So that avoiding this particular thing by switching the user on the another website, we make sure that a particular web page is attractive. And what if someone asks me, is it okay if I don't use JavaScript in my particular web page? My answer would be yes, but the user will not able to interact with the web pages, and the user may feel that the page is not interactive, and here also there is a possibility to get switch of a user to another website. So this all three makes a web page interactive, structured, and presentable. So we need to make, or we need to include all these three elements to make a web page more interactive and attractive. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you.